The Form 1023 Application for Recognition of Exemption is the official IRS application that you must complete to apply for 501c3 nonprofit status. You can learn how to complete the Form 1023 to help people across the United States earn 501c3 nonprofit status as a lucrative business. I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. In 2010, I added the service of completing the Form 1023 application for people across the United States to my business portfolio, and it has proven to be very lucrative. It's changed my life. I want to teach you how to complete the Form 1023 application using the same steps that I use. If you're interested, type interested in the comments. Thank you.